once again and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that maybe I can make a little surprise for my son. So I went over his box of monster trucks and I've searched for a nice monster truck to customize. There I found this son of a digger, which as you know is a Monster Jam truck. Now I know these trucks have few versions, and one of them is a son of a digger with blue tires. So I thought that it will be nice to take off the black tires from this car. However, I found out that they're really hard to pull off the rim. As you see, I have this octopus car that I found today, and I thought it would be nice to take off the tires from the octopus car and put it here on this son of a digger. So I came up with an idea about taking off this set of tires, and I thought that maybe if I boil some water it will be way easy to make this magic happen. So here's what I did. I've actually boiled some water and then I've dipped the blue tires inside. Then I've waited about 2 minutes, and after waiting 2 minutes I found out that the tires are now way softer than they were, and it is very easy to take them off while they are still warm. By the way, if you're into customizing monster trucks and you want to experience this technique, I want to warn you not to dip your fingers inside boiled water. So if you want to try this, please be aware that you should wait about 3 minutes after the water is boiled, and then you will have less risk of hurting yourself. But don't wait too much time, because if you will wait, the water will get cold and then they will have not enough heat to make the tire soft, and then you will have to boil the water again. Okay, so now we have all 4 blue tires out of the octopus car, and now you can see it is very easy to place them on the Son of a Digger monster truck because they are very soft after they were dipped into the boiled water for a few minutes. Now let's have a look at our new Son of a Digger monster truck. And here it is with light blue tires. What do you think? Let me now show you another Son of a Digger truck I have here. And since I have a few of them, I can make a little comparison between the two. Which one you like the most? For me, I like them both, but I'm pretty sure that my son will find the new one very interesting and surprising. Please let me know your thoughts and opinion. Now, let me show you what's coming next on my channel. The next video will be about this Matchbox Dodge. I will see you soon. Bye bye.